bro graffitied a lot of the Hot Wheels city cars. What's good, racers? Today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at all the Hot Wheels cars that are in the 2026 Hot Wheels Metro Sketch 5-pack. That's right, I was really interested to check this pack out. Check out some of the city vehicles that are covered in graffiti. Here's the back of the artwork. The cars included are the Fire Eater, Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect, Fast 4-Wheel Drive, Combat Medic, and the Mighty K. See, there's Fire Eater, Ford Transit Connect, the Fast 4-Wheel Drive, the Mighty K, and the Combat Medic. Some people say that Combat Medic is a really hard to find casting of various pop culture vehicles. I think I finally found the regular version. In fact, I do have a SpongeBob version of this from 2019. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a closer look at all these 5 cars that are in this pack. So there's an easy to open side here. Let's take a look. So let's start off with car number 1, which happens to be a fire truck in this pack called the Fire Eater. So this fire truck is yellow for some reason. Some people say that there are fire trucks that are yellow. As a matter of fact, it's an interesting fact to say. Normally all fire trucks are red, but it doesn't matter for me. It does have some purple and white shaped hoses. There's some purple interior details. And there's the little siren window. There's our clear, transparent blue. The interior is actually purple. So there is a chain. I noticed that there's this part here in the front is actually part of the metal base. This is actually from the last Fire Eater that I have is from 2019. It's all silver chrome from the Hot Wheels City 5-pack. But now I do have another Fire Eater from my collection. Some down over here. Next car in this pack is the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. As you could see, it is in teal, it's like sky baby blue with transit graffitied on the side. It has a white rim laser going around, within one of the fenders and everything. Some black bumper, white interior. It does have a black plastic base. Overall, it's really not bad for as a graffiti vehicle. The last time the graffiti cars had an appearance from Hot Wheels is from the 5-pack. It's from the Hot Wheels Graffiti Riders. Show you a picture on screen. I'll give you a picture on screen in case you're interested. Anyways, here's the Fast 4-Wheel Drive. Apparently, you don't see that much graffiti on the car, or I might be seeing it wrong. Overall, yeah, this is actually a really nice black color for the Fast 4-Wheel Drive with some red and blue cyan decals on the side, and even on some of the top. This wheels has a gray plastic bottom. It even has a nice red spoiler for stability. Some people it'd be interested to see how the hell would they ever come up with better details like the more graffiti. It's a Metro sketch pack, so they actually put more graffiti than the others. It's like a little bit of art pressure, so I'm not going to blame Mattel for this. So here we have the Mighty K. It's forming to be a Japanese, some sort of a custom Japanese little pickup truck. It has a little spare tire inside. There's a little skateboard. It could be different. Get a close-up look. There you go. It has another guy painted on there, and it's a K on there. I don't know what that says on there, so I can't read Japanese. If you can tell me in the comments below what that says, you could thank me. Here's the front. Here's the other side. Same thing, but now this one has the Hot Wheels logo being placed onto the side, and then the Japanese text on the left side. Oh yeah, that's the Mighty K. Oh, the cars are falling. Let's put them up here for now. And last but definitely not least is the Combat Medic. This Combat Medic is a really heavy model. It has a dark metallic. It's a diecast dark brown, brown with Hot Wheels HW logo graffitied on the side. A little orange Hot Wheels logo right there. You see the white Hot Wheels logo. There's a skull. And here's a little king hat, little crown on there. So there's some different decals. It says Hot Wheels on there. And there's also this little bit of the Hot Wheels flame logo, the skull, and the crown. And there's kind of hard to you can see it up close when I put my camera up to focus. Yeah, that is the Hot Wheels Metro Sketch 5-pack. So that wraps up all of the Hot Wheels cars that you can get in the Hot Wheels Metro Sketch 5-pack. Comment below which car is your favorite, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace, peace.